Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1989 Chevrolet Caprice estate wagon. This thing is in beautiful shape for the year. 74,000 original miles on it. It's like an electron blue. The wood cladding right from the factory. A little tow hitch on the back. Runs and drives great. Ice cold air. Sitting on moons with like new tires. Wide whites. Very, very comfortable interior. Car runs and drives great. Always reliable. It's got a custom stereo in it as well. Let me just grab the keys here. $74,357 miles. Air is blowing nice and cold. These are getting harder and harder to find that aren't rusted out to death. This one's in exceptional condition. A lot of room back here. Get the 5-liter under the hood. That's great. Well, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.